We have a ton of other activities going on. Well, you want to give us an overview?
Sure. Yeah, we talked about chicken wing eating, and we talked about replay, Midnight Madness last time, and of course, not everyone is really into those. So there are a ton of other things that we do. We did talk about the run, and I always never miss an opportunity to talk about the run.
I'll miss that opportunity.
So we've got the 4K and the 8K, and both of those runs, the great thing about those is that the proceeds of those runs have always gone to charity. They benefit Girls Who Code. AWS has a long-standing relationship with Girls Who Code, so we're really proud of our runners who not only are out there early running during reInvent, but also raising money for Girls Who Code. But there's also a ton of other things that we do. We always have Lego activities. So last year at the ARIA, you could build little Lego cars. This year, knowing our attendees, it's going to be some other crazy thing, little Lego 7-masted schooners. The attendees are really passionate about their Legos, so I'm sure someone out there is working on their Lego schooner pattern, and we'll be bringing that with them to reInvent.
I hope so.
But you know, we also have other ways for attendees to be social and network and meet other attendees, even in the middle of the day. So some years we've had batting cages. We had the mechanical bull cat, which I don't know if you've seen that footage of me riding the mechanical bull cat. I'm not sure. I'm not sure I made it all the way around.
I mean, there's not much to see.
Sort of slid.
It was like 2 seconds.
That's probably true. But attendees did love it. And I actually did see a couple people who were pretty amazing on that thing.
Right.
But we always have something sort of quirky and unexpected to do. We've got Boardgame Night, which is happening this year. Another thing that we're doing is, because reInvent can kind of be a little bit crazy and not everyone is really into some of the sort of louder activities, there's also other ways that you can recharge and enjoy yourself at reInvent. We're adding yoga, so I know you are a certified yoga teacher.
I am. Won't be teaching at reInvent.
Yeah, a little bit busy.
Obviously.
But we'll make sure we have a great teacher, and so we'll be adding things like that. We are adding potentially a ping pong tournament. So there's a lot of fun things you can do. And then the partners in the Expo also always have a fun set of things to do. Last year, I was able to meet Lieutenant Commander Data from Star Trek Next Gen.
Nerd alert.
Yeah, I got my photo with him. I think he was a little worried about what a fangirl I was. But, there's always fun things to do in the Partner Expo or over at ARIA and Builders Fair. So there's a ton of ways, and you and I are really passionate about this. There's a ton of ways to find your community at reInvent. It can be a little bit overwhelming, especially if you don't come with a big group, to find your community at reInvent. And so we're doing a lot this year to help you to connect.